Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, but I asked on Instagram if folks might be interested in seeing my kit lineup videos from 2023, even though I know it's 2024, but I am catching up on all of my spreads. I've been very bad about it this past year, and so people said that they would be interested. So we're gonna try it. I'm not committing to anything because I just don't know how on top of it I'll be able to be. But I have really missed planning and I have really missed like the community and sharing these videos. And so I'm trying to kind of dip my toes back into it. I feel like this lighting is pretty bad. Let me see if I can fix this. No, that's worse. Huh. Oh, okay, wait, this is better. I'll just use my head to block it. Okay, so I wanted to share this with you guys. I feel like a lot has happened, and hopefully, as I do these videos, maybe I can kind of catch you up on things. I have finished Q1, so usually when like over the holidays, I will finish my planner for the following year. That wasn't gonna happen because I was so far behind, but I did finish the first quarter of 2023, and it's only the beginning of January, and I'm now moving into April spreads, and so I will show you my kit lineup. That's what this video is. I don't know if I said that. That's what this video is. I will show you my kit lineup for April. The first one I'm actually going to show you, I actually already started putting it down because I was just starting to like work on spreads. So I'll show you like the base that I put down, and then we can kind of get into to latch onto my desk, which is also why I have a new desk, but I think it broke basically in my move, and so I'm using this like other tripod and it's not as good. Yeah, okay, I didn't do my monthly, but it's fine. Here is the first like full spread of April. This is a kit from Crust Press. I actually got this recently on like maybe like a D-Stash or like one of those I think it's called Random Pull from Crust Press. And I love this kit. I think it's so beautiful. Like, if you guys have been around for a minute, you know I love the purples and the blues. It's like my favorite combo. And then I paired it with some Sparkly Hollow. These are actually like the Disney ones from Scribble Prints Co. And then some like star, just like bits that I had. But I think it turns out really pretty. So I haven't finished this spread, but I did lay down the base. So I just wanted to show you since this is the first full week. I'm planning on mixing more of the kind of sparkly hollow. So yeah, this is this Prints Co pattern I used. And then I have this leftover of this like really beautiful purple from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, like I just think that's so pretty, and I thought it would really pop the colors in here against the sparkly hollow. So that is this first week of April. I'm really excited to do like my springy spreads. I feel like April was like a really fun time for me last year, and it's also fun just kind of like going back and like revisiting the different memories. Let's see if I can fix this a little bit so you're not getting so much of this. Oh, it's the overhead light. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna fix this. Okay, I think that's slightly better. We will see. I think it might just be the sheen from the plastic that's a problem, but here we go. I will show you the next week of April. So I'm using this. This is the December Mystery from 2022 from Scribble Prints Co. I just love this kit. It just reminds me of spring. I love all the flowers. Oh, the other reason I was excited about kind of getting back into kit lineups is to kind of just share some of the things that were happening. I don't know if I'll be able to like film my videos of me doing my spreads just because I'm so far behind, and I want to be able to not fall as far behind in 2024. So I already have my 2024 inserts, and I want to be able to like not be a year behind basically. I guess I'm 9 months behind, but I want to be more caught up this year. And I feel like if I film videos for every single one, like I definitely will fall behind. So I figure if I could just do kit lineup videos and then like get through these spreads and share them on Instagram, then I can be more on top of it for this year. There's just been a lot of changes. But anyways, okay. This I I really like this kit. I think it's super, super beautiful. I don't remember if I got this on, I feel like this is like a random pull or something that I got and I like totally lucked out, or maybe I got this off the Facebook page because I just really think this is cute. It's just like so spring and beautiful. And around this time, I was feeling like very optimistic about all the things that were happening with my flower business. I just had a lot going on and we had a lot of pop-ups coming up and Mother's Day, and it just kind of reminds me of that kind of a vibe. And there are some like floral elements too, but I thought this would be really cute. And then I'm pairing that, I don't know if I said that, I'm pairing that with this gold from Scribble Prints Co. as well. Then for the next week, this is like probably a hot take or like not what you would think of, but I'm actually using this mystery from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And I guess you can't really see it. Hold on. I kind of store it funny. No, and then you can't see it with the little stuff in the middle here. I'm gonna put these in the back. Like a good transitionary, yes, that's what I was trying to say, kit, because it's like more outside and it's not super season dependent. I guess you could do this for like a summer to fall type of a kit, but I really like it and I just kind of wanted to sneak it into my lineup pretty soon. So I wanted to go ahead and use it, and I paired it with this gold hollow, which I thought would be cute and like a nice bridge from the golds that we have in the other kit. So my first spread of April, I have sparkly hollow, then we moved to gold, then gold hollow. So I'm kind of all over the place when it comes to foils. I used to be one of those people who made every single kit kind of go with a theme, but this year I'm just trying to do it kind of on like vibes and like how I was feeling that week, and not necessarily like month dependent, if that makes sense. But that's why I wanted to use this, and I'm using Gold Hollow from Pink Diamond Planner Co. as well. Also, if you're new, I am on the PR team from Pink Diamond Planner Co. So if you are interested, I will have it linked down below if you want to use my code to get a little percentage off. All right, and then for the last week, I'm going to be using Mornings from Pink Diamond Planner Co. as well. This, again, just gave me spring vibes. I feel like April is kind of like a transition kind of a month, and this was just kind of the feels for me as well. I love morning, like I love like my morning routine as well, so I thought this would be a cute one for me. And I was just like in the process of getting a lot of things done and kind of like grinding and working on stuff and trying to have everything kind of in place for the busier month ahead. So that's why I went ahead and used this. And I am planning to use this with silver. And I have these kind of bold underlays from Scribble Prints Co. I don't know if you can like see the texture here, but oh, yeah, I think you can kind of see that, but I think it might be kind of cute. So naturally, as you guys probably know, I'm a gold girl, and so I always gravitate towards gold, but I feel like kind of stepping out of my element, and I feel like this kit could actually be really cute with silver. So I'm going to try and put this up really quick. So if you have different opinions, definitely let me know down below, and maybe I'll have time to change my mind, but I'm thinking about going with silver. So that's the plan with this kit. And yeah, that is all up my plans for April. I'm going to try and kind of keep doing these monthlies as I make it through the spread. So I guess you guys will know how quickly I'm going through my spreads, but I think it'll be kind of fun just to kind of talk about it, even though it might not be exactly when you're planning. If you're very far ahead, then maybe you'll be ready to plan spring with me as well. Or if you're behind like me, maybe that can give you some inspiration. Either way, I really appreciate you watching this video and like all of the kind comments I got on Instagram. Like, thank you so much for all of those. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great day. See you later, friends.